It's all together, we're doing it separate.
Oh, you dropped something. Walmart adventures with Tammy and Kara. So you can't take us anywhere and us be serious, but the staff have already like been following us. And it's really funny because
Do it.
and while making that noise, butt wipes, coffee, and tacos. We're good to go.
It's a good time, our grocery list.
And now we're being followed by Walmart staff, and it's pretty freaking hilarious. And they get one of those sticks to like hold the phone.
Second stick. No.
Yes, do it. I'll look at like right.
Oh, you won't know.
Tammy, you're no fun. I can't tell you why staff is following us. We have two more following. They're like ducking in the aisles and in and out. So,
It's a good time.
we're dangerous. Yes. Dangerous.
Watch out, guys.
Excuse me, guys.
So just leave these?
I don't think we got the reactions. Okay, we're gonna pause. Next, I'm just. Smells like roses. Oh my god. Oh. Right next to that. Right next to one of these guys. If you don't do it, I will.
No.
Then give it to me. What are you doing?
It's all together, we're doing it separate.
Oh, you dropped something. Nothing.